Hey, Brian down here at Mike's Off-Road doing some essential maintenance on this Toyota. So we're doing an oil change, we're doing a tire rotation, we're checking everything under the hood, making sure it looks good, checking his battery, checking his lights, making sure those all work, taking care of all of your essential needs down here at Mike's Off-Road. We got this Tahoe in here that needs a battery. So we popped his battery out, put a new battery in it for him. We did an oil change on this as well. Checked his air filter, make sure everything's good under the hood here. And also down here, we also put a winch in here for him because if you get stuck, it's essential that you get yourself unstuck and back on the road. Anything you guys need down here at Mike's Off-Road, we're still open and doing essential maintenance for you guys, keeping you on the road.